Markets on edge, Trump, Fed, and uncertainty. What lies ahead for Nifty? Well, the Fed rate plans are uncertain. That brings us to the biggest phrases of stock markets. Markets hate uncertainty. Honestly speaking, when uncertainty rises, all other things being equal, you can expect stock prices to simply drop. Simply put, the gloomier the outlook, the bigger the discount investors demand. Nifty and its stocks are worried as the December Federal Reserve meeting has signaled central bankers' uncertainty over potential Trump administration policies. So, the trading theme revolves around uncertainty with regards to uncertainty around what President-elect Trump will do after he takes office as US President on 20th January. On the economic data front, after Friday's US employment report comes next week's PPI and CPI inflation reports on Tuesday, 14th January and Wednesday, 15th January. Long story short, agreed, uncertainty leads to chaos in markets, but that said, uncertainty also allows to earn attractive returns on backdrop of lower prices. Big-time investors know with heart of hearts that risk and return go hand in hand. Hopefully, inflation in the US cools toward the 2% target, supporting additional interest rate cuts this year. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 7171 crores, while DIIs net bought shares to the tune of Rs 7640 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky in today's trade. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are still indicating weakening bullish momentum on the daily charts. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering at 14.65 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th January, is at 1.13 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th January, is at 0.64. Nifty outlook, Nifty may waver and trade volatile with negative bias. Nifty, CMP 23526. Support, 23,400 to 23,350. Resistance, 23,650 to 23,700. Range, 23,350 to 23,700. Bias, sideways to bearish. Bank Nifty, CMP 49503. Support, 49,250 to 49,200. Resistance, 49,750 to 49,800. Range, 49,200 to 49,800. Bias, sideways to bearish. FII selling is basically seen haunting investors at Dalal Street, as in this January month so far, they have sold to the tune of Rs 19,103 crores. Please note, total FII selling has crossed over 2 lakhs crores since 27 September, the day Nifty hit an all-time high at 26,277.35. Buzzing stocks. 1. Chemical stocks like SRF surged 14% in yesterday's trade after a report highlighted a sharp rise in global refrigerant gas prices. Navin Fluorine 2 surged 10% on reports of supply constraints for key gases like R32 and R125, which are creating challenges for the HVAC industry. 2. Manappuram Finance is in the news after the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, lifted restrictions imposed on Manappuram Finance arm Asirvad Microfinance.